I couldn't believe they literally bent over backwards to make this happen for me and make this work. And I think if I had been at any other school other than IU, it wouldn't have worked out for me. I'm doing a JD, but I'm also doing a master's in biotechnology. And so I worked it out with the biotechnology school to take classes both at the law school and at the master's program at the same time. I took these 2 classes and I got a certificate in the business of life sciences where there are these teams of scientists and business people, finance marketing people, and we would all work together as a team with an inventor to develop a commercialization and marketing strategy for one of his molecules. And so that was really neat for me because it was one of the first times when I got to see the value of intellectual property for the business side of things.
The IP program has been really great. They're very good at integrating all the different kind of concepts of property and ownership and tort law into intellectual property.
There is anything from your basic patent law class, trademark, and copyright law, so that you hit the big 3 components of intellectual property law. And then the school also offers a lot of specialty classes, so there's an international IP class, there's an advanced patent law class. I'm in an IP colloquium class right now. Every other week they bring in a top IP scholar from across the country to talk to us about a paper that they've present a paper to us, and then we get to ask questions and have sort of interactions with them about their work. I mean, it almost feels like you get a jump on the market when you know some things like that. The professors have been more than helpful. They've been excellent at lecturing and really getting their point across, but they've also had a great open door policy. I've gone in on several occasions and asked questions of them, and they've been willing to go so far as to pull in other IP professors.
I think that's the thing that's been really neat about being at IU for me, is that the people that we have leading our IP program, they're all so well respected and well known in their particular areas of IP law, but they're so accessible. So they're so happy to sit down and talk with you. If you read a paper that you like, you can go to their office and knock on their door and show it to them, and they'll be just as excited about it as you are.
The laws that we learn here and the courses that we learn aren't technology specific, and so that you can have any kind of technological background and bring it here and still be able to learn all the same laws and the same ideas and the same concept regardless of what technology you're talking about.
I went to Purdue and got my bachelor's in material science engineering, and I really did want to stay pretty heavily entrenched with the technology and the new inventions and devices coming out. And so blending the two, an IP degree or a law degree with your engineering background, really can let you stay involved with the technology.